Day 57 on this Swedish hike, and now we're leaving this place, Vatudalskojan. We have slept outside in the tent and we're heading for Grövelsjön today. It's about 20 kilometers, so we're going to the store. They have quite a lot big store there. We're going to do some resupply. We have an accommodation in Grövelsjön as well at the mountain lodge. Gonna be nice. So yeah, it's a good day. It's a beautiful morning. You could see the fog earlier. So a little bit cold tonight, but it was fine. It was totally fine. We don't have eaten any breakfast yet. We just took some coffee. So we're gonna stay ahead to eat some breakfast in about an hour maybe, when we get to some shelter. So not so long day, and yeah, you can see a bit cloudy. They say it's going to be rain today. And the mosquitoes yesterday, I have given myself a bite in the forehead. So maybe rain later today, definitely rain tonight. They say heavy rain, about 7 or 8, we have to see. So that's why we booked the accommodation in Grövelsjön. We don't want to sleep outside when it's raining, when we have other options. So yeah, come along on this day 57. Don't forget, thumb up. It's good for the algorithm, they say.
Yeah.
Such a cute little cabin. The cabin in the woods. It's a hunting team's cabin. But so nice. And the jacket is off, because it's just uphill the whole time, because it's going to be uphill until Grövelsjön today, because mountain lodge, so of course it's uphill. So just off with jacket and continue. We have today's first obstacle. The wetland is spreading out because of all the heavy rain. It was raining yesterday as well. So now I have to go around or a little bit through this. But it's so... The trail is right over there.
We can, no, we cannot.
Now we can walk that way. We have to walk this way. You find it?
Stick to the trees.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be stuck in here, yeah.
I'm in the middle of a tree.
Yeah, finally we got over, but we are wet. It took some time, but well, hopefully that is just one of these today, but we have to see.
So, breakfast place today. We got a huge bonfire going on.
And why? Because of the mosquitoes was here in millions.
Yeah, and
So
fire department Anna, she made this happening. And we go for the noodles, of course.
Noodles and fire.
Yeah, what can go wrong? And coffee.
Noodles, fire and coffee.
Yeah.
That's the title of a movie.
Yeah, and we came from over there with all the swamps, and we're going that direction. And you see, it has grown over a little bit here, so it's not it's a great path, but not the perfect one. And here is all grown over, so I think up there. And a beautiful day, perfect weather, not so hot today, maybe 10, 11 degrees. And I ate some nuts. So today we're gonna bunker up again with a store, and hopefully it's better than the last one, because the last store was really bad. Should we take 2 minutes in the...
We just said it looks like a park, and all the gear is on, and we have some rain, but it was a beautiful sight, and we see a small shelter, so we should take a minute here, because we have walking in the woods in the rain. Where are we? Näverlövsvallen. Näverlöpsvallen.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah.
And now we have a walk on the rocks again. And it's slippery now when it has been raining, so I have to be careful. But it's not cold. I'm so hot under my jacket and my trousers, but it's not so much mosquitoes at the moment, so we kept the gear on. But we are hot, we are sweaty. So it's foggy, it's wet, it's a little bit of drizzle the whole time, but not a heavy rain, so we're happy for that. That was a beautiful tree. I have to show you. You can see so many beautiful things. Trees, flowers, open spaces. But look at this. And this is what a Swedish farm up here in Dalarna looked like for a few hundred years ago. So it's very well preserved. So, it's a horse, and you know they don't like them. So, here is some, maybe they use this one for cold water, maybe to preserve some food, maybe, I don't know. So we came from Guttedalskojan, we came from that one, and we are going to Storsäten, because there is the store, and then we go into Grövelsjön. So can it be that they have some cafe? Maybe we see. Difficult with one hand, like this. Beautiful old preserved houses. And some shit. Oh, he's attacking me. Come in. Is it cafe?
Coffee and cookies.
It is.
And energy balls.
No.
And ölkorv.
Oh, look at this.
Coffee, tea, beer sausage, cinnamon bun,
Oh, you can take it. Oh, we
chocolate
have.
balls, and that looks delicious as well.
Come here.
And taste the sausage.
Oh no.
No. I will show them in here. What? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Look at this cozy place. So here we're gonna take not a real Swedish fika, but a Swedish Norwegian fika. Because now we're at the Norwegian border.
Welcome.
There it is.
Yeah. You need to bow. You need to bow.
Yeah.
Did the
Why
horse?
did I bring this one in here? I could put it out there.
Yeah, I don't know. But what a beautiful place. Yeah. And the chickens, and now the horse is gone. That's super nice. But now, let's have a feast on this fika.
Beautiful river. And now we are at the store. So now we have to see if we can get everything we need here. If I can find myself some gaiters. I really need a new pair. So maybe. Everything we need. We are here at the accommodation STF Grövelsjön fjällstation, mountain station. And look at this. Heavy rain. And we are inside, cozy, newly took a shower, do the laundry in the sink, put up the laundry in the drying room. And this, bunk beds. And some shelves. So it's a very small room. And Dan is already down in the kitchen. So I will hook up with him downstairs. So you have to come along for a little bit anyway. So you can see what it looks like. So this is just, it's not a hostel, it's not a hotel. You can stay here in small room, bigger rooms. They have a restaurant, cafe, kitchen that you can use. So where the kitchen is, I don't know. So I have to look for it. So see you in the kitchen.
Look at that feast. We got the schnitzel. We got the full plate of steamy veggies in the oven. Now you see them. Look at that. Oh my god.
Almost done.
Almost done, yeah. A few more minutes. And Anna got her spectacular gator. She has been nagging about this for the last 14 days. And we got red sauce, we got yellow sauce, we got the salad. And the ladies are working in the kitchen and I'm just sitting here playing with the computer. So, a good day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.